AI faceless YouTube is now popular, which is a good thing because you can create a talking AI faceless video just like this and you will not even show your face and people are going to love your video. And in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a talking AI avatar face like this that is going to be talking and is really going to be interesting. So if you love things like this, do well to stick to the end of this video because I have a lot to show you guys in this video. Hi, I'm Chioma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time of coming across this page, you're welcome. And on this page, I will teach you on how to grow your YouTube channel and also how to make faceless contents like this. So if you enjoy things like this, do well to like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a nice, wonderful comment if you find this video helpful. Thank you. Now in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a talking avatar videos or how to convert your image to a video just like this. I know you love what you see and that's why you click this video. So in this video, I'll be teaching you everything about it and the apps you use for it, and they are totally free, and that's what we are going to be doing now in today's video. So right now, let's dive into these apps I'm going to be using to create this video. To generate our image, I'm going to be using ChatGPT to generate this image because you can generate image with ChatGPT. See, if you are not using ChatGPT to do a lot of things, you are really missing out. Trust me. Now, I'm going to generate an image using ChatGPT, and that is the first one. I'm also going to show you another way you can generate an image again, and they are all for free. Now, before I start using ChatGPT to generate an image, I'm going to ask it because I want to give it a command, and I want my videos or my picture to come out very nice, looking clean. Now, I'm going to ask it, can you create an image for me, because this is a command and I want it to respond to my command. So I'm going to ask it, can you create an image for me? And he said yes, of course. Please describe the image you had like me to create for you and give details as much as possible. Now, because we want to create a YouTube video with the image, I'm going to ask it, can you create an image for me in a landscape mode? In a landscape mode, because landscape is for YouTube. If you want for TikTok, you have to put in the ratio of TikTok, but because I want a landscape mode, I have to ask it, I want you to create an image for me in a landscape mode. You can see how I'm just giving it direction because I don't just want mistake at all in my video or in my picture. So now I'm going to ask it, I want you to create an image for me in a landscape mode. Is it possible? Then I'm going to wait for it to respond. And remember, as you're typing this, ensure that you already have detailed way you want your picture to look like, because ChatGPT cannot enter your head and know what you want it to create for you. So you have to have detailed prompts that you want it to create for you. Now you can see I have detailed prompt and I want a blank young lady. So I'm going to type, I want you to create an image of a black young lady with afro hair, because I love afro hair and I have afro hair, and that's the image I want my picture to come with. So I'm going to say, I want you to create an image of a black young lady with afro hair on turtleneck with a happy face, yeah, and she should be in a home studio because I want it to be in a home studio. I want it to have a laptop. So I'm going to say, and I want it, and she should be in a home studio with a laptop and a table. Yes, and a table in front of her and a laptop. So now I'm going to wait for it to generate my image for me, and I will also tell him I want it to be in a landscape mode, because remember, like I told you, I want this image to be used to create a YouTube video. So it has to be in a landscape mode. Now it is generating the image for me. As you can see, I'm waiting for the image to load. So it is generating the image for me. So let's wait for it to load and see what ChatGPT has in stock for me, and it is free. That's the good thing about it. Now this is beautiful, this is good. Like, imagine you getting this for free without spending a dime to get this, and you can use this for your faceless YouTube channel, you can use it for your storytelling, you can use it for your reaction video, you can use this for your digital product, like to talk about your digital product to sell online, which is nice. And see, if you're still here at this point of this video, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. So now I'm going to save it in my phone. So I'm going to click it and I'll click on save video. Now let's go to my gallery and see it is saved in my phone already. Now I'm going to show you another way to create an image for free. I'm going to show you the second website you can use to generate an image that you can turn into a video for free. Please subscribe because I have a lot of goodies for you on this. Create an image of what I want to use as the avatar, as the talking avatar. I'm going to be using the app Lunard AI to create this image. Now I'm going to come here and give it a prompt. I'll give it a young vibrant vibrant beautiful beautiful black lady with with a stunning very short with a stunning short afro hair, wearing wearing a wearing a turtleneck, facing facing front, looking straight into the camera, because I want you to be looking into the camera, with a smiling facial, with a smiling with a smiling facial expression, in aspect ratio 16.9, with smiling straight into a camera with a smiling facial expression, with sitting in a home studio, with with a table in front of her, with a table in front of her, and three dots. Now it has generated the image for us. You can see we have this one, and I think I like this one. She's on black, and the one she's kind of on a mauve color. I don't know the one to choose, so I will just save all of them once the same time, so I can make use of them anytime I want. Now I'm going to click on the image I want to save. I'm going to click on this arrow and I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to click on save in file because I'm using my phone. Now I'm going to click on here again. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to click in save in file. We are going to go to our file to see what we have saved. You can see the images, they are saved in the font, they are saved. Now the next thing we are going to be doing is that we are going to generate voice. Let's say you don't want to use your main voice, but you know for this video what I used was my main voice. So let's say you don't want to use your main voice, you want to create another separate voice for just the image. You are going to go over to type in 11 laps for this, for generating your voice. We're going to use the 11 labs to create a voice because you want to use. But if you want to use your main voice, all you just have to do is to record your voice for the image or your voice for the video. Now this is 11 labs, and you can see, for you to convert, for you to get a voice, you have to already have a prompt, or you have to already have what you want the AI or the avatar to talk. Now you're going to come here that they wrote text to speech. You are going to type in your text or whatever you want, the avatar to say. You are now going to click on try for free, and it is actually going to try and generate the voice for you. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not using the 11 labs, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. Now when you type in your speech, let me type in, hi, I'm Choma, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're still at this point of this video, please subscribe. Hi, I'm Choma, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now let's say I want to, okay, let's see what it's going to sound like.
Hi, I'm Shioma. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Now let's say I want to, because I'm a lady and I want to go for a lady's voice, I'm going to click on Charlotte and I'm going to click on play so that it can
Hi,
be able.
I'm Chioma. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Now you can see this is how to create your voice for this. But now we are going to be converting the image into a talking video, and we're using this desktop app which you can use to convert your image into a talking video. Now they have the free version and they have the paid one, but I used the free one to generate this. You know, you have to work your way around it. So you're going to be clicking on this plus button to upload that image that you generated from ChatGPT or from your AI. Then you are going to click any image of your choice. I'm just going to be picking one. And there is another thing about this app. You can generate your image from this app. Just click on generate AI avatar. It will generate an avatar for you. But because you already have a photo, I'll click on upload your photo so that we can choose a photo that we want to use. Then I'm going to be picking this photo for this, and then I'm going to wait for it to upload before we can now convert it into a talking video. Now the video has been uploaded, sorry, the picture has been uploaded. I'm now going to click on next because I want to convert this image into a talking video. I will now have to click on next. When I click on next, you can see you can add audio. This is where the audio aspect comes in, and I'm going to record because I want to use my voice. Now you can see here you can record and use your voice. You see AI voice, you can just use all these, their AI voice, audio file and video file, but I'm going to use record because I want to record my voice. And here you can see talking photo will like access to your microphone. I'll click on allow because I want to record my voice. Now I'm going to be recording a video. I'm going to be recording what I want the avatar to say for my video. Now I'm done with recording it, and I'm going to wait for it to load and process the video. Now the video is being processed and we're going to be waiting for the after finish. Please subscribe if you're still here. So now the video has been done, so let's listen to what the video is all about, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to generate an AI image, and then you can convert it into a talking video for your Faceless YouTube channel, because Faceless YouTube channel is now popular, which is a good thing. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a talking AI Faceless video like this. So if you enjoy videos like this, or if you find this video helpful, please do well to like, subscribe to join this wonderful channel. Thank you. So this is it. Is that simple? This is how to create a talking avatar image like this, or this is how to convert an image to a talking video. And I know and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please do well to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bar on so that I'm notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.